From Divine Sister of the Light Eri Ni, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athens, the return of the bridges, the life flow is restoring. Message, this is the physical bridging of the masculine and the feminine from before death did them part. Observe the bridges. Energy update, this is the most beautiful life we have ever had. Us being able to experience this unstoppable and divine restoration of life is the biggest blessing. It is really happening, and it will be far more exciting and miraculous than our wildest dreams. Divine intelligence and intervention will surprise us all. Remember that it is the Father that holds the uranium, the highest and purest element of all. We are in the flow of the loving wisdom of creation. Every day is another step, another revelation, another understanding, another alignment, another correction, another restoration, another confirmation, another miracle. Once a piece of the puzzle falls into place within us naturally, it fits perfectly, and then the warmth of life returns to this area and it receives the support of all other pieces, creating a bigger unified field of living life. Eventually all pieces will function as one. Message, stay focused in the now, in that which you can touch, see, smell, hear, taste. Bring your energy into the body. Bring your aspects to where you are. You will need them to pass the gate. If you are scattered, it cannot happen. You need your energy and essence present. The white dove is here. Peace is here. Love is here. Align with this no matter what horror movie it is playing out. There is the most divine plan at work, and the wave of awakening is increasing every day, carrying more hearts and minds to the light. The bridges are here. The bridges are here. There is no more fuel left for those that are creating separation to use anymore. Shout out to all the legends of love that are so perfectly spreading the right message at the right time. The sweet confirmation has been given that the organic twin flame code has been received by both masculine and feminine on the physical level. This physical restoration and establishment of the twin flame organic code is now taking place in the here and now. Eri ni, huna ma anata kumara, yellow galactic warrior.